Well, hey, all welcome. Now, lithium ion phosphate, that sounds like gibberish to most people, doesn't it? Well, it's something you're going to want to know if you're interested in a Jackery backup power supply, because on this particular model, it has a lithium ion phosphate battery. And what does that mean? Well, that means that this battery has the potential to last twice as long as a standard lithium ion battery. It's more temperature stable, which means it's safer. In fact, I keep mine in the house because I live in hurricane country and my garage temperature every single day is 90 degrees. So I want to prolong the life of this as long as I can. And because I know it's safer, I personally keep it inside in the air conditioning. Because this power supply has a 3,000 watt output, it can operate virtually any standard 120 volt appliance in your home. And that includes things like your coffee maker, washing machine, toaster, television, or whatever else you might need during a power outage while you're off the grid. There are three main ways to charge the battery. First, you can connect solar panels for off-grid charging. Second, there's an option to use your vehicle's 12-volt cigarette lighter outlet. And third, and by far the fastest, you can simply plug it into a standard 120-volt outlet so it's fully charged when the power goes out. On the far right, there's a receptacle labeled A. This port allows you to expand the system's capacity with additional external batteries, an excellent feature if you want to extend your power reserve between charges. Now, if that fits your budget, adding one or two of these extra batteries is definitely worth considering. Turning to the front panel, you'll find multiple USB and USB-C ports for charging smartphones, tablets, and other mobile devices. There's also an RV-style 30-amp output, which is especially useful for RV or motorhome owners who want to reduce the reliance on their traditional generator whenever possible. In addition, you'll see four 20-amp, 120-volt standard household outlets, plus a 12-volt automotive-style outlet located in the top left-hand corner. But I wanted to tell you that the reason I chose the Jackery brand was because I did a lot of research, actually about 3 weeks of research before I decided to go with Jackery. And I went with them because they have an excellent reputation in the industry as far as product and customer service. Now, I recommend that you download the mobile app so that you can keep an eye on this when it's charging or when you have it plugged in when you're off the grid and it's discharging. I'm completely satisfied with my Jackery Solar Generator. I highly recommend it. Thanks for watching.